International mail is the best mail. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ book channel. Do me a favor. Questions, comments, concerns. This thing's getting dull. I've opened a lot of boxes. I need to get a new item. Any and everything down below. Now then. All right. We can now keep track of the day again. Tape. We need to have more of a uniform way of packing things. All right. Here's one of them. I did get a total of 4. They put tape on it, and I'm not in a tape mood right now, okay? So they're just going to stay taped up and bubble wrapped like that, because I'm not in a mood to put up with the tape right now. It's just not my day right now. Not my day. But yes, now I can tell the different dates. I can display my PEZ dispensers inside of them. Yeah, today is Incredible Hulk Day. We will be smashing! Oh! So these are puzzle type almost. Let's see, lift up here. You slide this over, and therefore you're able to move all the pieces around. Now, they do come on a card. Unfortunately, all of these have been opened. But they have a blue, a red, and a crystal orange. I would say red's more common, followed by the blue, followed by the crystal orange, which is really hard to find. But tape on bubble wrap, extremely easy to find here in the PEZ book. I don't understand that. One of these days, though. One of these days. So until next time.